Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
If an iPad shows activation lock, it is tied to an Apple ID. Do not attempt unknown bypass tools that promise to remove locks. First, confirm the device belongs to you or that you have permission. Ask the original owner to enter their Apple ID and password to unlock. If owner is unavailable, check for original receipt with serial or IMEI information. You can also view the device serial on the box or settings where visible. If you hold the receipt, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store with it. Apple will verify ownership using the receipt, serial number, and purchase details. Provide the iPad serial or IMEI so staff can check activation and registration. If verified, Apple can remove activation lock or guide you through account recovery. You can also ask the original account holder to remove the iPad at iCloud.com. On iCloud.com, sign in. Select Find iPad. If you cannot prove ownership, you cannot legally force removal of activation lock. Avoid third-party unlocking services that promise bypass. They often break laws. Consider returning the iPad to the seller or contacting local authorities for lost property. If you intend to resell, keep the receipt and obtain signed ownership proof from seller. For privacy, erase personal content only after activation lock is removed by the owner or Apple. Following these legal steps prevents fraud and keeps your purchase protected.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.